Hello internet, welcome back to another live stream. We are so back with the fourth day. It's actually a streak now. I've been just streaming 4 days. I was about to say 4 days straight, but that's wrong. I've been just like consistently streaming every day for 4 days, which is great. Hello Mr. Dick. How's it going? So, mode activated. That's awesome, guys. Welcome back. Today we are playing another Red Detective mixes. This one is called Gnov and Order. I'm gonna actually send this to the Discord later on. I'm not playing DNB anymore. We're just playing the Rat Detective guys songs. I don't know if it's called jazz or something, but it's nice. So guys, I have something different with me today. I don't have the ass water or the apple water, but instead we have carbonated water. It's carbonated. It's carbon. Bicarbon, actually. It's carbon dioxide, calcium, magnesium, and fucking bunch of other shit in this. Love it. Okay, I'm doing a hefty LLVM build in the background, so Firefox might crash any second. Dude, I don't want to lose you. You're doing a great job by just existing. Please don't leave the stream. Man, I love carbonated water. It's so great. It's kind of underrated here. My Turkish homies know what I'm talking about. If you ever travel to Europe, or more specifically, if you've traveled to Germany, they have all kinds of carbonated water. It's just water, but with fuzz. It's fucking great. Carbon water, does it run C++? No. I need to rust water now. I gotta just sprinkle some rust pieces into my water and drink it. If I end up in a hospital, you'll know that I'm actually one of the OG Rust developers, but I'm probably not. Anyways, what are we doing today? So, of course, I didn't do any research. Are you surprised? Probably not. Rust the fungus? No. Yeah, maybe. Is that a fungus name? Wait. I'm distracted. I gotta look this up. Rust the fungus, dude. Damn. Yeah, it looks like rust, so I approve. So anyways, I didn't do much research, but we got this little fella over here. You see this? It's ESP32. So we're gonna try to run this shit, inshallah, and we'll put our little visualizer onto this. You know, it's still broken. Don't worry, it's still broken. Like, you know, I didn't actually work on this today, off the stream. I did some changes. Well, it's still broken. It's still showing a bunch of particles on the widget. But I personally think that this is cooler than just showing the frequency. So I'm just keeping it broken, you know. So we're gonna try to put this thing on here. Of course, we won't be able to have audio inputs, but that's a story for another day. Actually, I don't think. Okay, let's see if we can just actually run this thing. I'm not sure if this is broken or not. That's the first thing that we gotta check. So I got this from, is it Grind O'Clock? Yes, of course. So I got this from a conference, and yeah, I don't know, it was working. Hi, I don't know if you have read my latest response on Mastodon, but if you like to have something like audio bars, you can use shady audio for that. That's what it is for. Okay, that's cool. So Tornax, welcome to the stream. First of all, I'm gonna show you what I have built. I don't know if you tried it out or like if you checked out the code, but let me just show you what I'm doing here. So this is the waveform, right? Wait, I'm not sharing my screen, sorry. This is the waveform, right? And I'm right now able to, like, this is correct. Everything works fine here. And I'm not sure if I want to have bars instead of this, but this is like a amplitude and time. So this is in the time domain. And let me just show you. Wait. I'm gonna. Okay, tone generator. Look. You know, it works. A4, A3. Oh, this doesn't work. E5, whatever. It works. But I want to show the frequency. That shit is broken. So when I run this, I'm getting a bunch of particles just moving around. This is not great. How I'm doing this is basically I am running FFT on the audio samples. So I get the data points from the microphone, and then where's my FFT? And then what do I do here actually? Oh, okay, I'm just like running this. This is like completely wipe coded, so don't expect me to understand everything here. But I have a good explanation somewhere in the ChatGPT logs. But yeah, I'm just like trying to turn those samples from the time domain to the frequency domain, and I'm basically trying to use the same widget. So it is a canvas. No, sorry, it's a chart. So I'm like trying to like use the chart for the frequencies, and I am not sure if that's the correct way. I'm not sure if I should be using a bar, like audio bars, like you're doing in shady audio. And to be honest, I want to like have this very simple, so I will be very happy if I don't depend on some other library, because you know, I'm eventually gonna run this on this thing, which means I need no STD or like whatever. And so yeah, if you have any opinions, please help me out here, because I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix it. But yeah, this plotting is not correct. This is like completely broken, but I love how it looks, so I'm just gonna keep it this way for some time. But like I said, today's objective is to have this thing running, which is a questionable task. Has anyone in the chat used ESP32 before? ESP32 Rust. Alright, easiest way to get into embedded with an ESP32. That sounds like my thing. I know that you can use Arduino for coding this, but like I don't want to use C++ or Arduino, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, we have an ESPRS book. That's cool. I guess we can just read this. Alright, the goal of this book is to provide a comprehensive guide on... Okay. What is this book for? Alright. I'm just gonna skip these. Overview of the development approaches. So we can use the standard library or the core library. I'm curious about what's the difference. Okay, so no, I mean, if you're talking about STD, we need some. We need more stuff probably. Shady audio requires STD here, but it should be doable to make that work without STD. You just need FFT Cray unless you implement it on your own as well. Okay, I need to take a look at that. You know, it's all just experimentation at this point, so I need to get myself more familiar with the available stuff out there. I mean, I'm literally reading the overview from ESPRS. I'm reading the book, you know. I'm learning here, so I don't know. I would appreciate some opinions on this, and if you have experience, please feel free to just say stuff like you're doing this wrong, or you should do that, and so on in the chat. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam, man. Alright, no STD crate level attribute that indicates that the crate will link to the core crate instead of this STD crate. So we have the dynamic memory in STD, vectors in STD, lib core writing. I mean, I already know these, but well, like okay, whatever. What you cooking? I'm trying to cook some ESP32 stuff, so embedded Rust. So repositories starting with the ESP are focused on no STD. Repositories starting with ESP IDF are focused on STD approach. STD apart from BaM also needs an additional layer. ESP IDF. What is IDF? This is a development framework, so this is the SDK, I think, or something like that. Alright, I have ESP32. Actually, how can I check this? Because I'm not sure what it is. I'm just gonna remove the 3D printed case or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna actually remove the battery too. Let's not fuck this up. I'm trying to be careful here. I should really have another camera to just show you what I'm doing, but I'm trying to like remove the cable here. I'm just gonna chew on this cable actually. If it doesn't come out, I'm just gonna chew it like a rat, like a true rat experience. This should help you understand how to configure the FFT. Did you send a link? Because I'm not seeing it. If you have sent a link, YouTube is just removing links, so please send it over on somewhere else, Mastodon or somewhere. But yeah, afterwards you just need to play around, adjust your behavior. I'm sorry, but explaining everything through the chat is a bit too much. Yeah, I know. It's not coming out, guys. This thing is not coming out. I'm just gonna use force. I'm gonna use force, and actually maybe I should... It is coming out a little bit. I'm using force. Forcing this shit. Nah, it's not. Why is it so hard? I mean... Okay, never mind. I couldn't remove the battery. We're just gonna go ahead with the battery then. However, I need to go now. Have fun. Thanks, man. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, I couldn't remove the battery, guys, so we have this thing now. It's just dongling. Look, it's just dongling. I couldn't remove it. But okay, maybe I can get an idea of what this development board is from the text on the circuit somewhere. Well, it doesn't say which thing it is, sadly. Like, it's not a visible text. So I'm gonna just use my flash. So this is a ESP32 D DO something DO DQ or something. So it's ESP32. ESP32. I think that it was this one. Anyways, that's just the serial number or something, so that's not very important. Sorry, I got disconnected for a while, but I should be back. So, setting up a development environment. RISC-V and Xtensa, alright. So I need to install Rust. I need to install requirements based on my target. So RISC-V, RISC-V. I just need to install this, I guess. I mean, I think I already have it, but let's just install it. LD proxy binary created, a tool that forwards linker arguments to the actual linker that is also given as argument to LD proxy. Alright, interesting. Let me take a look. I don't think I have it right now. LD proxy. Alright, linker proxy tool. Let me actually take a look at who's maintaining that package. Maybe I can just adopt it. I can just snatch the package. LD proxy. It's taking forever to load though. Alright, can I just like write my application? Strongly generate from a template, gives you a config project. Alright, I think I will just use the template. ESP32 template. I think that's the one that I want because I will use STD. I'm gonna use mousefood, which uses STD, so that's IDF. E is for that, so we need to use this one. Okay, that seems very straightforward. I can just generate a new project then. Okay, KP is maintaining that. I think I will just hop on that package and co-maintain it. Well, it's been released, like the last release was in 2022, which is a long time ago. That's not good. Maybe they are just pushing tags these days. Doesn't seem like it. No, this doesn't seem like it. Anyways, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna type in my password somewhere. This is highly confidential. I don't want to expose the URL, that's why. Okay, it's logging in. I hope. If you already know it. Dude, stop. You know, but not everybody knows. You know, since you're just subscribe to my OnlyFans, you know everything about me. But not everybody knows, you know? I'm just waiting for it to load, sorry. What am I saying? Sorry, this is my stream, okay? You're gonna watch me wait for this. This is how you lose subscribers. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue here. So what are we doing? We need the template, right? We need the ID of template. Cargo generate, that's all we need. Okay, I can adopt this now. Cool. I'm now okay, I need to watch the repo too. I don't want to miss the releases, so start this and releases. Okay, build support for embedded Rust. Alright, I'm just maintaining a package that I have just started using. That's great. A hello world template of a Rust binary create for the ESP IDF framework. Okay. Project name. Install like that. Flash. Oh, okay, so... Oh, I just do that and that's it? That's very cool. Okay, ESP Flash, what is that? ESP Flash, I need to install that one too. I need to also check who's maintaining that. It's probably KP again. I'm just gonna adopt all the ESP32 ecosystem in Arch. That's my new goal. I'm just gonna take over all your embedded packages. I'm hungry for it now, I'm just kidding. I don't care. Cargo generate LD press ESP up. Okay, is there another one? Tool for installing and maintaining ESP Rust ecosystem. That's very cool. They have their own ESP up, own tooling for all of this. That's very cool actually. Install Rust and CLang toolchains for expressive SOCs. Okay, I'm not gonna run this yet. I think I have the necessary stuff, so I'm gonna adopt this one too. I'm gonna start this one too. Custom releases, that's cool. Oh, Sven actually contributed to this. That's cool. I can that's why I can trust it. That's because no. Since that happened, I can trust this. Great. Okay, ESP Flash. Alright, this is going great. I like the simplicity in this ecosystem. That's very cool. So I gotta create a new project, right? Let's just do that real quick. Project name, Twitter, embedded, just ESP32, configure advanced template options. No. Alright, it did something. Twitter embedded, set as a cargo, GitHub, build rs. Can I have like two embedded and non-embedded options for the same Rust project? Bin Twitter embedded. features the experimental log. Okay, I think I'm gonna work on this here, and then I can merge these two crates together later on. But for now, I think this should be our working directory. All right. So cargo build, what will happen? Nothing. Cargo build. Custom toolchain ESP sweat and override well is not installed. Okay. So what do I do? Channel ESP. Rust up install ESP or something. Or okay, what was the thing? ESP up install. Alright, let's just wait for this then. I don't know. Python 3. Damn. ESP IDF. I wonder if there are any packages for that. No, okay. It's installing something, guys. Dude, it's crazy. I tweeted something 2 days ago, and I'm still getting some reactions to that. Have you guys seen the Microsoft's new editor for the terminal, which is written in Rust? I don't know why it's taking so much time, by the way. Maybe this is not a good sign. My neck is hurting. VS Code enough. Alright, I don't know if I'm doing something right here, so I'm gonna check. What's in the main, actually? Link patches. Also, I don't know how to use mousefoot with this, if I'm being honest. Mousefoot is the library that you can use to build Ratatui apps for ESP. It's cool they want to pre-install a terminal editor, but at the same time I have no idea what it is for. It's just a fun weekend project. It looks like a fun weekend project. Mousefoot prelude. Alright, I can just copy the code here. Just try it out. I'm gonna actually check Discord because I got some tips from the author. Okay, there's one link to some file. Give me a second. So, sorry. She said this is like the minimal code for displaying something on the screen. This doesn't look very minimal to me, but okay. I can try this. We can just build it. So we need a embedded graphics draw target. Okay, I see. Okay, my laptop officially cannot handle building the LLVM Fortran frontend. Damn. I wish there was a more elaborate example about using this thing in the mouse food. Alright, everything is installed. What is the script now? There's a script out of the blue that it wants to source itself. Alright. I guess that's export ESP. Okay, just source it, whatever. Okay, so cargo build. Now it's working. It's downloading a bunch of, oh holy shit, 200 crates just for this. It seems a bit excessive, but alright. So what is it? Embedded graphics. I'm asking very basic questions here, but yeah. Well, this is quite interesting. A core goal of embedded graphics is to draw graphics without using any buffers. The crate is no STD compatible and works without a dynamic memory allocator and without pre-allocating large chunks of memory. That's very cool. Pick a font. Holy shit, look. Those are some nice visuals, bruh. Those are some nice visuals. So you can like draw stuff with it. That's cool. And yeah, where do we actually create a display? Okay, display. So we need a display and we're gonna basically pass that to mouse food, and then we should be able to use Ratatui on this, hopefully. And I don't know if it works. Like I have no idea. Also, another problem that I have is, which is I just realized this is actually a big problem. I have only 2 USB inputs on my laptop, and I'm using both of them. One of them is for the microphone and the second one is for the camera. Guys, what do I do? Like, I need to plug this in, right? And I don't have a USB multiplier. I don't know what it is called. I'll just call it multiplier. So, do you want to not see me or not hear me? Which one? Choose. I just gotta use one of the ports. Just have to do it, bro. I'm just waiting for the compile. Both of them. Dude, I'm just gonna go after that. That was harsh. That was harsh, bruh. You hurt my feelings. Not see, I guess. Dude, I can use my laptop webcam. Which is a quality that you're not used to, probably. You can try it, guys. Come on. I don't know how to solve this problem. Ferris, can we ban Ferris? Transistor, can you ban him or her or it or cat, whatever? Let me just put you in a timeout just for that, dude. Actually, let me get my fancy lens, and then I'll be back, and we'll switch to the laptop built-in camera, whatever. Give me a second. We're just waiting for the compile times anyways. I'll be back. What's the roast equivalent of shadow banning? Ferris, you broke my heart. I don't know how you're gonna fix that. I know that I froze. I'm trying to like switch to my integrated camera. It's not working though. Wait, I'm trying to like, okay, let me add video capture and integrated camera. Alright, it's not working. Okay, this is the main capture. Holy shit, okay, I got it. Oh my god, that was horrible. That was a horrible view. Okay, guys. Double camera. What up? This is how we're doing these streams from now on. More like disintegrated camera. Alright, how is this, everybody? I think it's perfect. I'm getting flashbacks from the Polish hotel. That was the best day of my life, actually. Can just make this smaller. Look at the difference, bro. Look at the fucking difference. Oh my god. One of them is like the worst quality that I have ever seen, and the other one is just vibing. I don't know. I won't tell which one is which. You'll know. I'm just gonna place it properly without triggering your OCD. You versus your LLM evil twin. Yeah. Sounds like it. Okay, how is this now? Really bad, right? That's perfect. That's what I wanted. Alright guys, we have the shitty camera. At least I'll look straight to you while I'm writing some code. That's good. Oh, I can just change the light a little bit. Make it like fucking bright as fuck. Alright. Perfect. Jesus here. So we are doing ESP stuff. Why is it taking forever, by the way? Broken streamer. Yeah, Ferris broke my heart. You're right. You're right. I mean, at this point, I can just go dark all the way. Like, I can just do this, you know? It'll be all fine. Actually, this is better. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I don't care. This is what we're doing, guys. And yeah, this is taking forever for some reason. All right, so in order to save space and speed up rendering, the fonts feature can be disabled. Bravo 6 something something, I don't play Call of Duty. So maybe let's just copy this over. Make sure you have Docker, Visual Studio Code and Google Chrome installed. Dude, why? Why would I mean, what the hell? Wait, URL, what is this? Web Flash? Interesting, okay. Wait, I just need the dependencies. I already have... Holy shit. What the fuck happened now? Could not install all requested tools. Could not install ESP32. What the hell? Alright, guys, we have a problem now. I should have just set up everything before I start the stream. What is going on? Oh sure, I'm gonna install Docker Visual Studio Community Electron Windows 98 while we're at it. Yeah. Alright, this is a bit problematic. Anyone who knows what's going on here? Oh my god. This is like a Python version thing. This is so annoying. Okay, I can just install this with Paro or something. Yeah, I'm just gonna exit this actually. Yeah, I can install this. Just install the first one. Is this like a Python project? Why the hell everything is just mixed together? Okay, it's a C project with some Python. That's interesting. Okay. That's some work, but okay, I can source things. I don't know why I have this camera still. I don't think I can just I think I can just... Oh shit, sorry for the flashbang. Did you guys know that I actually have like a proper ass light thing in my room? Like, holy shit, everything's falling apart. Oh my god. Yeah, I have the studio light. I'm a pro streamer. Look at the fucking studio light. Damn, everything's falling apart. Why did I do that? Fuck. Okay. Just stand there. Just stand there. Just like that. Okay. Alright. I don't know why I flexed that. But alright, it's downloading a bunch of shit. Of course it's downloading a bunch of shit and takes like 7 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just going to update this code. YouTube money flex. I actually didn't cash out any YouTube money yet. Still just still sitting in my dashboard. I couldn't do it yet. Alright, first of all, what the hell happened to my cursor speed? Like, it's hella slow now. I installed something and it resetted my X11 config. etc X11 xinit rc. Alright, gotta set this thing. Alright, we should be back to the... No, it's still slow, what the fuck? No, okay. Alright. So, link patches and initialize default. Love Linux, for sure. I don't know why it's like... Why it's like doing a bunch of things here. Thread Park. Do nothing forever. Kind of like that. Bless your Ratatui lib, man. Discovered on my learning Rust journey and love it. That's great to hear. Thanks for checking it out, I guess. Dude, my internet is not that slow. How big is this file? Subscribe and like it. Subscribe, hit the bell, go to my GitHub sponsors, and like, you know what to do and stuff like that. Dude, I gave up on GitHub sponsors. I need to get my motivation back about making open source sustainable. But these days I'm just vibing. You know what would make me happy? $2 per month. First subscribe and then like or reverse. Don't do it twice. Already done all of that. Thanks, man. Okay, stop. Don't do it. Yeah, don't click the subscribe button twice, okay? If you do that, you know, yeah, don't. Just don't. Dude, it takes forever to install all of these tool chains. I'm not liking this, but either way, it's not gonna build right now anyways. Try to build it. It's not gonna find ESP something probably. We should have a guide on that. It's hard, man. What is hard? You mean this thing or not subscribing twice? The sub button is bugged and deletes your system on second click. It just runs RMRF, so don't do it. Alright, so I just gotta wait for this then. Just gotta wait for this. It's some Python stuff going on as well. It's a bit weird. Maybe in the meantime I can just refactor the other code a little bit. You know, grind never ends. You just gotta do something always. So let's just take a look. YouTube devs are grinding for sure. But still my screen can overflow. So I'm thinking of cleaning this up a little bit. Mainly I don't like having like two sample rates. I'm only using the sample rate here, right? Or am I using it elsewhere? Yeah, I'm using it in FFT data. And where am I calling FFT data? Recorder sample rate. I think I'm just gonna remove that. I don't like having two places where I have sample rate. So I'm gonna remove that. Actually, I'm gonna move it to the functions. I'm gonna have the sample rate in the functions. Remove this in here as well. Sample rate. Note. Okay, that's a bit annoying. Transform sample rate U32. All right, let's just do that then. And here we just go ahead and pass it in here. Draw frequency. Where's the note? Where's the note? Oh, the note is actually being drawn in another function. Out. Okay, Mr. Dick was just bored, so he's no longer with us. Okay, there you go. It's still working. Only 30 seconds left until we get this thing running. So in the frequency thing, data points, so these are from FFT data, right? All right, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check something. All right, it's doing something. I have for FFT data. I want to draw this in a chart. All right, it's been installed. I'm doing two things at the same time. And where's the code again? Where's the code again? FFT data. Those in a chart. That's why I need. How can I do that? How can I do that? All right. Yeah, this seems like what I want. Just wipe coding. All right, maybe now it's fixed. Kinda. It kinda looks like the same thing. Labels and bounds. What should I do? How should I change the labels and bounds? Yeah, this looks like it. Okay, and in here, I should probably just clean this up a lot later, but I just want to like have a proper way of showing this now. Like, at least I want to make this correct. Okay, there you go. This looks interesting. Let me play some note. For the x-axis, okay, for the x-axis, I only see stuff happening between 0 and 48,000. Is that normal? Actually, I want to just have quarter. Maybe I can zoom it in a little bit more. Looks a bit weird. Definitely looks a bit weird. This was better. Alright, I got ESP32. Oh my god, it's taking forever. I hope it will work. I'm just waiting for forever at this point. I need to add the dependencies. To add the dependencies. Cargo toml. We already have the log and ESP-IDF as we see. Embedded graphics. What is this embedded hell? Hardware abstraction layer for embedded systems. Do I need this? What is this used for? Hull? A mode tree. What is mode tree? Configure SPI. So What is this PI? Okay, what is this PI? Serial peripheral interface. This is for the screen? Yeah, this is for the screen. Alright, this is for the screen. Okay, then we'll need that. Let's add the HAL thing. Embedded graphics and stuff like that. It's cool. It took absolutely forever to install everything. That was insane. Okay, so for this thing to work, we have the display, right? I'm gonna remove these text stuff. Maybe I can keep this, but and then we'll basically insert our Ratatui thing here. So backhand, terminal draw, whatever. So we're gonna have this thing and we're gonna just use that here. After we add mouse food, which has a default fonts simulator. Okay, just add it. Mouse food. Okay, that's all the dependencies we need. And also there was another note somewhere. One sec. If I remember correctly, there was a way to make this thing render faster. One sec, I'm just checking Discord. Wait, is it installing pip? What the fuck is going on? Wait. Upgrading pip. Oh my god, what the hell is going on? All I wanted was to run some rats on embedded. What am I doing with my life? Okay, finally. Damn. God damn it. Alright, we're gonna source this now. Okay. Alright, now I should be able to run cargo build. Oh my god. That took forever. That took forever. I'm just hoping that it will work. It's compiling Ratatouille. That is promising. If this works, this means that we can finally move on with the rest of the tutorial. You know, I haven't even plugged this in. It's not even plugged in yet. Like, I don't even know if this works. If this works, and I'm just like assuming that it works in building and installing a bunch of stuff. It really takes forever to build, though. I'm trying to like remove the battery still. Maybe there's some tutorial how to remove ESP32 battery. I don't want to break it, you know. What is this? What now? CMake file API comma CMake version mismatch. They made a typo here. Expect at least version 3.14 Gov version. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? You were so close. You were so fucking close. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not only they made a typo, they also... Never mind. So... ESP CMake. Switching between 4... Yeah, okay. What's the CMake version that I have? It's 4 point whatever. Can I downgrade it? Oh my god, this is so annoying. I need to search for a more specific error. Dude, it's just a better version of CMake. Why it's not working? It's so bad. Okay, this is the documentation. I need to go to the repo. Maybe there's an issue here. Maximum supported Rust C version CMake. CMake. That's why I hate C++. I hate CMake. CMake version mismatch. What the fuck? It's not even... Oh my god. What is this? MBTLS? Mbet TLS? It's not building for me because of CMake. I'm about to lose my mind. Building against ESP32 version is not officially supported. Okay, what? Oh shit. I have installed some new version, that's why. 5.3 5.2 5 point, okay. God damn it. Let's remove it then. And maybe... Oh my god. This is so annoying. Could not find cargo terminal and drive cargo. What? Is it because I have a custom cargo config. No fucking way, bro. Okay, just build it. That's just crazy. If that's the case, it's gonna be really crazy. Just eating up all my disk space, which is bad. Man. Okay, it failed again. I think I'm losing my mind at this point. Okay, please build. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm just overlooking some instruction somewhere. Maybe it will build now. Just come on, it's taking forever and it's not gonna build anyways. Maybe it will. I hope. I just wanted to run some stuff on embedded. Why it is so hard to do that? I'm just questioning my existence right now. How much resources is this using? There's a GitHub workflow as part of the template too. Oh, come on. So what's new with you guys? Let's just have a nice chat while we're just waiting for this, I guess. How are you guys doing? How's life? Is anybody doing something exciting? I'm just hoping that this is still compiling, by the way. Maybe it's just stuck. Oh, okay. It failed. Great. Oh my god. Okay, what's the problem here? I'm just desperate. Okay guys, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and create an issue on the repo, but for now I'm just stuck. So that's the whole progress today, just getting stuck. Oh, no such file or directory. Holy shit, everyone loading libxml2. Okay. What? libxml2? Is that it? Oh, it's already installed. What are you talking about? libxml2 so. Okay. It's a bit weird. It's already installed though. Holy shit, this is a new issue. Since the latest update, XML2 get BaM to XML2 SO is missing. What? What the fuck? Wait, user libxml2 so. I have it here. libxml2 so 2. Oh, I don't have the, oh shit. Okay, we're just gonna build this package down. Wow, that's amazing. That's fucking amazing. That was the fucking issue. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, we have that now. Okay, it's linking to... Okay, it's linking. So now if I do cargo build... let's fucking see. Oh my god, that was a... I cannot believe... Just one SO file, and that's why we would just... We've been suffering because of that. That was crazy. Okay, it's building now. Alright, some things are happening. I think it's gonna build. It's gonna build. It's gonna build. Okay, cool. That took forever, man. That took forever. Now, what's the next step? Just flash it. Just flash it. This cargo run. Alright, so let's just connect this thing now. Alright, there you have my shitty video. So now I'm basically connecting this device, and it's lighting up. It's lighting up. Using serial port, yes. No. Alright, it's flashing. It's flashing, guys. It's success. It was so painful, but we made it. It's doing something. So now what will happen? It's gonna flash something, but are we supposed to see anything? That's the question. Yeah, we're supposed to see some text on this. Holy shit. Yes. Fucking yes, guys. Look. We got the text on this. thing. That's great. Okay, it's working. We can just run the fucking Tui on this now. Let's just run the fucking Tui. Let's just run the Tui. Where's mouse food? Mouse food. Display. Okay, I just need to have this terminal draw frame f run. Okay, I totally forgot how to use Ratatui. Draw widget, I guess. Cargo build. No, I don't want. Frame render widget. F area. Block bordered. I fucking made it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that we made out of that build hell. It was literally a build hell. It was so bad, and I finally saw the correct error message, and then we got this thing running somehow. It's still magic to me, but yeah. Okay, I need to add the prelude, it seems. Gonna add the prelude. Maybe. Where's Ratatouille actually? Is it exporting Ratatouille? Yeah. Okay, Ratatouille. Where is it? Why is it building everything from scratch? Finally, we're getting some errors. Render widget, and the block is gonna be widgets block, and title just Ratatouille or something. All right, this should work. This should fucking work. I don't know why I'm swearing. Sorry. I'm just a bit stressed out because it took forever. Come on. Just kill all cargo processes. Just build it. I'm gonna just flash it and I'm done with this. It's really taking forever. Oh my god, no. Where's the buffer? thing. What? Oh, I deleted that, that's why. No. Do I need the buffer actually? Dude, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I didn't change anything. I didn't change anything. What? It is working when I remove that. That's crazy. Is it because of this code? Yeah, okay, mute display. Why is this mutable? I don't know how to fix this. Maybe I can just clone it. No. Fucking hell, man. Just gonna ask ChatGPT. No, I just wanted to copy this. Okay, yeah, I mean, don't clone it. Damn, okay, you can do that. I just want to run this, okay? I don't care about unsafe right now. There you go. Okay, it worked. Just flash it. Yeah. Let's see if it's gonna work. We must see, we should see like a block or something like that. Okay, so what happened? Did I just remove the... Okay, I removed the loop. God damn it. Okay. Cargo run. Again, we're flashing again. We're flashing again. Yes. Yes, no. It's... Actually, I was expecting this to be a little bit faster. It's kind of surprisingly slow. Oh my god, it's working, guys. Okay, something crashed. No, it's actually running. Okay, so here's the result. Oh, I need to actually make this thing wait, what am I doing? Okay, I want to show it to you. I wonder if it's gonna run without a battery. Let me actually take a picture because I don't want to lose my progress here. Okay. Am I frozen? Looks like it. Okay, guys. Thumbnail image. Look, it's just a little square or a little rectangle, but it's working. Thumbnail. Success. I'm done. I don't know if anybody is still watching the stream. This was such a roller coaster. I am trashed. I'm so tired from the freaking build issues, but we made it and it's working, so I'm satisfied. Guys, thanks for watching, I guess. I'll see you in the next one. I lied. Okay, you were here the whole time? Fucking hell, dude. That was... wow, okay. Goodbye.